I am Anil Kumar Khandelwal. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we are going to discuss how do we find the number of lattice points within a circle. We are going to use Pick's theorem. Well, the question here is, show that there are 12 lattice points on the circle and 73 inside the circle with the equation x minus 6 whole square plus y square equals to 25. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Well, our approach is going to be that we basically have a circle with radius of 5 units. So exactly the circle is given to you as shown in the diagram, which is displaced 6 units along the x-axis. So x minus 6 gives you a center of the circle at 6, 0. The number of points will be same even if we move the circle to the origin and then consider circle of radius 5 units. It becomes slightly easier to understand and figure out the number of lattice points. Correct. So let's move it and let's make this as the origin and let this be the x-axis and then the y-axis. Now to find the points on the periphery or the circumference, we can use Pythagorean triples, right? Three, 4, 5. So all those points having combination 3 and 4 will give us a radius of 5, and therefore we do get some points here which are, as you can see, plus or minus 3, which will give you plus or minus 4, right? And it could be the other way also. Plus or minus 4 will give you plus or minus 3. Correct. So that gives you now those points on the periphery. So these are 8 points, as you can see. So these are 8 points. Now let's consider the axis, which will be plus or minus 5, 0, or 0 plus or minus 5. So that gives you 4 points, correct? So total on circumference is 8 plus 4, which is 12. So we get the first part, which is we have shown that there are 12 points, lattice points on the circumference. Now let's look into the second part. We are going to use the Pick's theorem to find the number within the circle. So what is the area of the circle? Area is pi r square. Pi is 3.14 times 5 square, right? So you can calculate this value, 3.14 into 25, and that gives you 78.5. So that becomes the area. Pick's theorem is area is equal to the lattice points within the boundary where I and b plus b by 2 is the boundary divided by 2 and minus 1. So that's the formula. Now here we know that the area is 78.5. We need to find this lattice points, and we know b just calculated is 12 minus 1, right? So we have 78.5 plus I, 6 minus 1 is 5, and therefore we can now calculate the inside points as 78.5 minus 5, which is 73.5. The integer value is, of course, 73. Correct? So inside points are 73 within the circle, So that's how you need to calculate. Well, so you can actually summarize that the total number of points will be how much, right? 12 plus 73, I mean, 12 plus 73 is the total number of points in this particular case, which is 85. So there are 85 points on and inside a circle of radius 5 units. You get the whole idea. So that is how we could solve such questions, and that's the beauty of our book, Rediscover Algebra and Trigonometry. Feel free to order a copy and understand many more concepts which help you give a great foundation for future. Thank you and all the best.